Sir, master
I think
food.
assembly is a good forum for us to talk on these subjects. Tourism is a serious subject that forget allegations and cross allegations, but importantly, tourism is the main economic churner, including employment for the state. Last 1 year, I have been spending enough time to put regulations in place, and especially illegalities बाहेर काढपाक. And illegalities start with touts, illegal touts. They are very clear. पहिले सगळ्या मुख्यमंत्र्यावरपासून आम्ही ते clear करून we are trying to weed out, and for which we need support from all stakeholders, whether it is opposition, ruling, or stakeholders of the tourism. We need it. So I think for let the issues come in the house, we will discuss it.
अटॅक इन्सिडेंट वाढले लास्ट टाइम येता आरमारायत झालो रशियन टुरिस्टांक
पळय आमकां टुरिस्ट अतिथी देवो भव म्हणून आमी ही प्रथा दवरल्या. आय एम नॉट सेईंग टुरिस्ट इज रायट ऑर टुरिस्ट इज रॉंग. दर टुरिस्ट रॉंग आसा. खंयच्याच कायद्यान मनशाक हातान कायदो घेवपाक दिवना, त्या खातीर पुलीस आसा. आनी इफ वी स्टार्ट गिवींग एग्जाम्पल्स अँड स्टार्ट डिफेंडिंग पीपल who take law in their own hands, forget law and order situation. Already Goa is getting a different name because of such instances. I sympathize with the people who were attacked or whatever has to be done, but police need to be the agency to act. So I think Mukhyamantri already ulele, and CM I think is given enough directions that such things do not happen in the future, and we are able to put tourism in the right perspective that we have as a vision or a plan as far as Goa is concerned.